Friends, let us discuss the concept of class 10th, chapter 2, polynomial, exercise 2.1. Very easy exercise. You only have to observe from the graph how many times it will intersect on x-axis. That will be your number of zeros. See now, let us do examples. Find the number of zeros from graph and which polynomial is here. You will see one line is here which is intersecting your x-axis, means horizontal way, on one point. How many times it will cut? One time. So 1 0 is here. It will be, if having 1 0, so you have linear polynomial. Second is, you have given this graph and curve is given which is intersecting on x-axis 2 times. So you have 2 zeros and polynomial is of quadratic. Clear? Third one is, curve is given in this manner. How many times it will cut x-axis? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros are here. So your polynomial is quartic. Quartic. If 5 zeros will be there, then you will say quintic. If 6 zeros will be there, you will say hexic. One time linear, second time quadratic, third time quartic, 5 time quintic. Yes, 6 zeros time you will say hexic. Learn these. These are very much important. One for linear, second for quadratic, third for cubical, fourth for quartic, fifth for quintic, sixth for hexic polynomial. Clear? If your curve is, how many times it will cut x-axis, that will be your number of zeros. Doesn't matter to y-axis. Y it will cut on any point, it will not be counted in zeros. Next is, question may be like this also. If a curve intersects 4 times at x-axis and 2 times at y-axis, how many zeros of that curve? See, x-axis, you have to see only x-axis. 4 times means 4 zeros will be there and polynomial will be quartic. If a curve intersects 2 times at y-axis, and then how many zeros of this curve? It means this is only cutting y, not on x. So zeros will be 0 only because they are not intersecting at any point of x-axis. So number of zeros will be only 0. I hope you will get. This is very easy concept. 1 mark or 2 mark question will be in your board exam also.